Oh, hi there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene. Welcome to my kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen. Our family and friends, today I will be doing buttered garlic grouper. This one promised to be very delicious. So I have washed, seasoned, cut my grouper in slices and fried them nice and good. This is a white flesh fish, guys, and this promises to be good. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Now, big up yourself, all my celebrants this week. Whether you've graduated, it's your birthday or an anniversary, congratulations to you. Now guys, after all my grouper slices have been fried, I then use another saucepan. In the saucepan, I've added butter and 2 tablespoons of garlic. I am simply stirring this to flavor my butter. Now guys, I do not wait until the butter comes to a boil. All I am doing is to add to this my bell peppers, my onion guys, and some carrot. I'm gonna stir this in, and do not allow your butter to fry, else you will lose all your flavor. So guys, I'm just stirring this in, and then I will add to that the fried grouper. Now guys, I know that you are loving this, so remember to give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course save it to your favorite playlist and share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Thank you so much. You can follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook at Wim's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Now guys, this smells divine, and I know that you're going to try this next time you are in your kitchen. Now guys, this smells good, me tell you, can't done. I'm gonna add to that some low sodium soy sauce, just to add a little bit of color and a little bit more flavor. While this is flavoring my grouper, I will share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from Psalms 138 verse 7. I want to tell somebody that when you are going through your crucibles, the Lord will breathe new life into you. It will feed your soul and strengthen you. Remember, our divine Savior will rescue us from death and hell. So family and friends, after simmering for about 3 minutes, I've turned off the heat, and guys, I am adding to that lemon juice, about half of a lemon juice over my fish. And guys, just look at this. It is a divine, and I can't wait to dig in. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I'll see you next week, guys, where I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah. Love you. I'll see you next week.